Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Ford Kuga Trend, stock reference number 5521. This shape runs from the 11th month 2012 through to the 7th month 2013. It has a 1.6 litre 4-cylinder EcoBoost petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 1.6 litre 4-cylinder EcoBoost turbo petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right power door mirror, non-puddle lamp type, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, Sony control panel, head unit and display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, non-sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.